welcome back to Shamar CV, and in today's video we're going to be learning about the A sound that start in the vowels, and we're going to be learning them with the words that start with the vowels A. So let's get started into the video.